One of the things that I love about TikTok is the comment section. So when I receive a recipe suggestion in the comments, I screenshot it, print it out, and highlight it and keep it on file until I have time to focus on it. The Robert Redford recipe stood out to me because I love sister pie and because the viewer has eaten it and orders it on the regular. I own the book, so I scan the recipe, print it out, and go to work analyzing it. Unfortunately, even the best baking books on the market are written in cups and spoons. So I always go to work using Jessica Reed's The Baker's Appendix in converting those volume measurements to weights, and I use grams. By reading the head notes, I can understand the recipe and what my goal is in terms of final product. The pretzel rods do not have an equivalent for weight, so I will have to use a cup and get a weight on my own at the time of scaling. Then I use a pen to underline the key points in the method of this cookie. I'll diagram it out after I scale all of the ingredients. I like using sheet protectors in the kitchen. It keeps my paper recipes clean so I can use them for years. And then I count the number of ingredients in the recipe and pull enough tape for a couple of mistakes. Using a fresh fine point Sharpie, I write a proper label which includes the ingredient amount, the ingredient name, the recipe, and the date. Carefully place the labels on the deli cup lids. I use the lids to do the scaling. So the magic of the comment section is if I find a recipe that speaks to me and end up putting it into my spreadsheet and into my rotation, it's a win-win for all of us.